The waves look so beautiful. Oh, wow, what a Barbie in the mermaid tail. Oh, that sounds like Barbie in the mermaid tail. Hello, Barbie, little mermaid. How are you today? Oh, that was fun, isn't it? Oh, it looks like a starfish. Hello, starfish. Hi, how you doing? Oh, it looks like a starfish. Oh, I can't wait to see what the starfish are all about. So that's what we're going to do. It's a Barbie in the mermaid tail, queen of the waves of the ocean. The ocean just looked like you wonder what happens next. What happens next do I have to tell you? Maybe I have to tell you something. Well, I can't find him anywhere. Well, tell us what the mermaid is up to now. Oh, let me think. Oh, I was thinking.
Hey, y'all! Turn up the volume so you can hear me. Can you hear me? Huh? My rocket doesn't even have this many controls. I wonder if there's a button for finishing your homework.
Oh, come on, mermaid. Just don't cry. Come on, mermaid. Calm down. Don't cry. What a perfect day at the beach. Oh, such a queen at the beach. We can see some starfish and unicorns at the beach. It's unicorn. Oh, I can't wait to find it. Let me think. I know. I was thinking of the, it's mermaid, is it? Maybe I still can't find him anywhere. I can't lose it before my daughter. I still can't. Well, I don't care. Just make way for surfing. Okay, then. Well, then why you have a question for you today? Then why you about King or something?
She's ready, she's steady, she's up on her feet, dancing on the water to her own kind of beat. She's in it, she's on it, she's rocking her skills, tearing up the current like the girl's got gills.